Boom! Hello everyone, it's Mr. B from Pint of Stuff here, coming back at you with another sneaker unboxing. That's right, camera 2, we are coming right back at you with another sneaker unboxing. If you're new around here and you don't know what we tend to do these sneaker unboxings, we do the cinematic on foot, we do sneaker streaming Sundays. Why do we do it? We do it so that we can share our love for sneakers with you, and also we can build, I hope, a nice friendly bunch of people who like what we do. Anyway, what have we got today? SJ there on Sneaker Cam, we have got a box from StockX. Now everybody's read the title, but you don't know what these are, do you?
Nope.
So these should be the Nike SB Jordan Defiant 1 New York to Paris. I got them from StockX about 2 months ago and we haven't actually opened them, so we're going to do it now. We're going to do it now, everyone, so we should probably speed up. We haven't done this for a while, camera 2. We should probably speed up about now. Boom! Nice little nipple. Surprised by the box, so we'll see what we've got. Because this is not the box I was expecting. Okay, put that down there. I was kind of expecting these in the Nike SB box, so I've got no idea what we've got. Aha, but we definitely have the Air Jordan 1 High OG Defiant. The code, everyone, is CD6578006. They're a US 11.5, that makes them a UK 10.5. And they are, SJ, a Euro 45.5. And the suggested retail was $175. It was. Have a look at that. There you go. Look at that. Apparently, I'm releasing this video like so late. But the other ones, the LA to Chicago, they're apparently restocking in the UK right now, and that would be August the 10th. So allegedly, they're going to restock around the 12th, maybe. There are draws on various retailers at the moment. Anyway, let's get to it. StockX nonsense down the side there. So first of all, even though they're in a Jordan box, you've got woodcut SB paper. They're a bit special. They're very special, everyone. I don't know why I haven't opened these. Oh my word, these are so nice. The first thing I'm gonna say, right, they've been sat in their box for a good few months now. They've got that Jordan 1 smell to them. They have. Oh, oops. So I don't know what I just did then, but I think I just put the box on the dog. I think I did. First thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put that one there because that one very much, what SJ?
Toe.
What about the toe? Huh, weasels. Well, SJ's just spotted something on the toe. I'm saying weasels to StockX, but I've had them for so long that I can't really send them back. I don't think you can do that with StockX actually, but let's have a look at this one here, the right hand foot. Let's get the standard Jordan sort of shoe tree thing out. The sizing labels come out of that. As always with the Jordan 1, comes unlaced. Very thin material around the top, but it's not that we're looking at. SJ, have a quick butcher's in there. As you can see, you've got an amazing, bright, vibrant inner sole. And we're gonna put that shoe up to the camera. Hopefully that's focused nicely. But it's actually the leather on these. SJ was out last night. A bit like that, I think. Camera operation down here. Bit interesting. Just dropping the camera and all sorts, right? So let's take it in for SJ. Just look at these. So we've got this, these colors are supposed to represent New York, the grays on the top, sort of grittiness of New York. And if we come in close, and I'm gonna go up high because underneath there's sort of vibrant pinks under there, and that's supposed to represent that kind of slightly vibrant, slightly out there Parisienne style. You know, if you think about from a skating perspective, you've got the grittiness of New York, and then from a skating perspective, you've got that slightly je ne sais quoi of Paris. I'm just making this up as I go along. So let's go back and look at the leather again, SJ. So look at the toe box here. This feels to me like I'm just gonna do this, and everyone's gonna scream right now. All right, you can see that's really nice and soft there. We're gonna flip round to the back, and these I think with a bit of wear, you're going to get a really nice crease here. So let's have a look up here on camera 2. Now the lights in here should be better today because I've adjusted them ever so slightly. So hopefully if we go in there, I think this bit here is going to crease really, really well. And I really like that on a Jordan 1. It's, I know lots of people don't like creasing the shoes. I think the Jordan 1 always ends up looking better when it's creased. And if we go on the tongue here, there you go, SJ. You can see the SBs and that slight pink. She's obviously having a few problems over here. The camera, the SD card was a bit full. So, SJ, what were we doing? I can't remember. I think we were looking at the tongue.
We looked at the tongue.
We looked at the tongue. I showed this camera. We're just talking to ourselves here. I showed this camera this. We've got alternate laces. We've got the grey, the pink, and this lovely sort of peachy colour. And if you ever look at that shoe there, everyone, that is oh, we go that way. That is a stunning shoe, absolutely stunning. But I'm going to show you the defect and the risk that you get. And like these are like, let's go to the front. Have a look there. Can you see that? Can you see this? Like, there's just a little bit of, there's just an annoying bit on the toe box there. Like, let's go to the main camera. I'll just show it to everyone. Like, look at that. It's a bit disappointing.
That is flipping outrageous, StockX.
It is.
I'll tell you why I'm really annoyed.
Why?
Because I had these in hand in LA.
Yeah.
And could have got them from the Nike store.
But we chose not to because I'd already ordered them. Like, it's slightly annoying. I'm tempted. Like, I know like some of our regulars on Sneaker Streaming Sunday who hang out in the Discord, and I'll link to the Discord. I'll drop it down in the description, and I'll try and sort of flash it up here so you can see, but it's basically pintofstuff.com/Discord will take you to our Discord channel. One of our regulars, I think, Strix, he's been using Goat, and he's got the Union J's from Goat, cleaned up actually by Goat. The picture that I've seen, they look absolutely immaculate. So maybe I'm gonna go and visit Goat more often than StockX. Like, it's just frustrating. That aside, and we'll get rid of that because you know I don't like cardboard hanging around on the desk. These shoes are amazing, aren't they, SJ? They are absolutely stupendous. They feel really nice. These are gonna wear really well. I kind of, like, you know, we're going to Germany. I kind of want to take these because, like, they might get a little bit marked and stuff.
Well, they're marked already.
That is true, everyone. Like, it doesn't matter now. Like, actually, StockX, you've done me a favour.
Don't say that. Don't say that. We're going to complain because it's outrageous.
Oh, this is frustrating. And we've got shoes on the way from there as well. So we'll see what sort of state they're in. So we're definitely going to try and unbox them tomorrow. So yeah, so everyone, what do you think of these? Do you like them? Let us know in the comments below. If you haven't subscribed and you want to kind of join in with what we do every Sunday night, subscribe down there and you'll get notified when Sneaker Streaming Sundays goes live. And if you really want to, our Discord is, as I say again, is pintofstuff.com/Discord. You could even come over to the pintofstuff.com website. We are kind of sort of putting stuff on there slowly over time. You can also sign up for a newsletter that I'm slowly going to build so that you get notified as well, so you don't have to worry about YouTube not telling you. I think, SJ, that's all I've got to say about these. I'm disappointed, but still an absolutely banging shoe. That's irritating, isn't it? People, that is super irritating. But, you know, that's the second-hand market for you. It is what it is. Oh, I still mind them. Boom, we're out of here. Oh, I'm not out of here. If you all want to look over there, let me think about this. Where's this going to go? It's going to go, whoop. So probably over there. Don't forget to click one of the other videos because that would really help when we come up in the algorithm thing. And it would just help anyway. It's just nice. Like, there's probably going to be something there that YouTube thinks you might like, and I think you might like. So yeah, anyway, people, I really am going now because SJ wants a nap. I'll see you later. Bye.